Welcome to Reverse Engineering Your Success. Today we are going to talk about why discipline is a thing that has a lot to do with your success. Gabriel here. On this show, we talk about every skill, every habit you could implement in order to be closer to succeed. If you don't want to miss any new videos, I advise you to check the bell icon, to subscribe, and to save the playlist so you can know when a new episode is available. Discipline is a thing that a lot of people are lacking, including me. Yet, this is an essential component of success. Because if you're not disciplined, you are saying yes to everything. And I mean everything that could make you farther for your dream. You are going out every night, you party all the time, and most of all, you are not getting things that will help you to reach your dreams. Now, what is the best way to get disciplined and how to stay disciplined in the long run? I think I have a few tips to help you. One of them is to understand that discipline isn't a bad thing. A lot of people see discipline as a really severe thing, but it is actually not. Discipline wants good, wants your life to be better. If you start to looking at discipline from a bad angle, you will struggle more to get more disciplined. That's logic. Now, here is my point of view on how you should see discipline. Imagine that this is your best friend and that he or she knows what is the best thing you should do in order to have a better life. For example, you are on a diet and you see one of these cakes that you love like crazy. What will be your natural reaction? Eat it, right? But what Mr. or Mrs. Discipline will tell you is do not eat that cake. I know you like it, but you have health problems. If you don't want to get in big troubles, do not eat this cake. You see where I'm going? Tell me in the comments if you already like this way of thinking. So now that you and your best friend are ready to go, I want to give you one more tip, which is to try to apply discipline in all the areas of your life. Like, don't only be disciplined to put out content on social media, but also to go to bed before 11 p.m. or to start working out and stick to it, etc. Whatever things you wanted to implement. Because I saw that when you start to have a part of your house, which is your lifestyle or your daily habits, that is starting to getting weaker, the whole building can collapse really easily. This is just a question of being on point with your habits. Also, I have a video about daily habits to implement, so if you want to check that out, I will put a card right there. So, let Mr. or Mrs. Discipline help you out to have a better life, and you will get more easily the results you've always wanted to have. Question of the day: are you ready to install discipline in your life? And if yes, tell me what are the areas you need it the most. Tell me your answer in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I advise you to subscribe to this channel if you do not want to miss any new videos. Like this video if you liked it, put a dislike if you didn't, and do not hesitate to share this video with a friend that could benefit from it. I see you on the next one. Goodbye.